In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on inline editing in reports. This is a very handy feature if you want to streamline your reporting tasks in Salesforce and make data management much more efficient for your team. Getting started, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the right credentials, and if you run into any trouble logging in, double-check your email and password or contact your admin for assistance. Once you're securely logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is the setup icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This is where we'll be making all the necessary adjustments to enable inline editing. Now that we're in Advanced Setup, you need to navigate to the Quick Find box, which acts like a search feature for settings. It's located on the left-hand side of your screen, a little below the header. Here, type in Reports and Dashboard Settings and wait for the system to pull up relevant options. This feature is really useful for quickly locating specific settings without having to scroll through numerous options. Once you've accessed the Reports and Dashboard settings, look carefully for the option to enable inline editing in reports. If this is your first time adjusting these settings, some of the options might seem unfamiliar, but don't worry. They are clearly labeled to make the process smooth and intuitive. Make sure you select the option to enable inline editing. Activating this feature allows users to effortlessly edit records directly from the reports, saving time and making the data entry process less cumbersome. It's particularly useful for sales teams and data managers who need to make quick adjustments on the fly without going back and forth between different screen tabs. Now, after you've enabled inline editing, the important thing is not to forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom or top of the settings area. Clicking this ensures all the changes you've made are not lost when you navigate away from the page. It might take a moment for all the changes to process, so be patient. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on enabling inline editing in Salesforce reports. This newfound ability will not only streamline your workflow, but add a layer of efficiency to your data management process. Whether you're handling sales figures or compiling quarterly reports, inline editing is a fantastic way to keep your info up to date with ease. Thanks for following along, and happy reporting.